Assalamualaikum and greetings to the referees, administrators and everyone else who is watching this. My name is Badlishah and I work as the group leader.
My name is Marsha and I work as a group member alongside with my friend Badlishah
And I Ainun. Today we are happy to discuss about our project used in photosynthesis. In the present era, most people have forgotten about the use of this compost waste, which can be more beneficial than we expected. This is because we barely use compost waste in our daily life, causing us to forget about the existence of this compost waste. Apart from that, plant enthusiasts also widely use this compost waste, which can cause excessive waste. If this action continues, it can lead to shortage or waste of compost waste. Other than that, this project is also due to widespread electricity shortage, especially lighting. Waste of electricity can charge us with a high cost to the point we cannot even pay bills anymore. Furthermore, most plants are also unable to grow in enclosed area such as living room, bedroom, etc. This makes cause of desertification of some individuals who want to grow plants indoor.
So, among our proposed solution is to save on the compost waste by making it room progress that can attract the attention of others. For example, by turning it into energy for plant growth and electricity.
At the same time, use compost reduce as electrical energy such as LED, ultraviolet, fluorescent light, etc. Another thing is using ultraviolet lamp as replacement for sunlight that use energy power from compost waste to grow plants indoors. Our estimated height and width for this project are approximately 2.2 meters and 27.6 centimeters. The estimated weight for this project is between 4 to 6.7 kilograms.
Among the list of materials that we will use for this project are a medium-sized aluminum container, a small cylinder container, a 15-watt ultraviolet light, and a long iron rod. The total estimate cost is 41 ringgit.
We would like to express our gratitude to the enforcement authorities for listening to our discussions regarding our project. I pray that all of our affairs will be made easier to our satisfaction. That's all from us. Thank you very much.